night, red lights, fire across town. My mama cries, my baby's inside, gotta get her out. He ran into those burning flames and didn't hesitate. When he walked out, holding her, all he could say was he didn't have a choice. When he heard that voice, he can't help it, it's just what he does. Oh, it's in his blood. There's good guys and bad guys, the story never ends. Somebody's got to protect the innocent. He gets his gun and grabs his badge and kisses his wife. Oh, how he hates to leave with that worry in her eyes. But he ain't got no choice. When he walks out that door, he can't help it, it's just what he does. Oh, it's in his blood. Come on. From a long line of fighting men, 4 generations proud to defend this beautiful country for you and me. And just like them, he'll fight for us to be